We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Ilmn. We are on a 12-month time frame. Price action, last candle to right-hand side is a bearish red doji cross. So we're looking for the breakout of that area. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows, adding the midpoint. Also adding second level highs, second level lows, third level highs, and third level lows. So we have current price sitting at 203.84. So if price work its way up, it can tag that resistance line, landing at the numbers of 230.69. Before tagging that area, it can tag the midpoint within there, which will be 215.58. If price action drops down, it can tag the support line in blue at 183.84 before tagging the midpoint within that area at 195.93. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So we can see that price action is a bearish red doji cross. It's consolidating. So we're going to be looking for the breakout. So that's a indecisive candle. If this market pushes up, so let's say market does respect that midpoint, we do have that incline. Let's take a look at where it's coming from. So coming down in red with the first candle, we do have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, and then we're looking for market to push up that third time. Or that market can consolidate, and if it drops down, let's see where it's coming from. So there's multiple spike ups to this high. So what the market is reading on this 12-month time frame is look like a single top overall, and market came back to retest. But as we walk down the time frame, it'll probably look like a double top and a retest from the third to last candle. Wait, one, two, three, four. From the fourth to last candle, third to last candle, which will create that double top. The second to last candle will be the retest, and then market created that market pushed down to the midpoint and consolidated sideways. So it will look something like this from the third and fourth. You'll see that M pattern. Market pushed down, retest, and then push down again. So it's a double top and retest, and market just consolidate at the bottom. So we're looking for that market to push and break out that area. But if it doesn't, you'll see an M pattern, the break and retest. Excuse me, I say M, retest, double top retest, market breaks, retest again near that midpoint area, and it can push down with a bearish red candle coming from a double top and a retest. Working our way to the 6-month time frame. So price action on the 6-month time frame is reading still as a bearish red doji cross. So it's consolidating sideways within the second last candle. So market is in consolidation with the price in second last candle. We were looking for the breakout of that area. It's on the bottom side of third last candle. And also there's some type of consolidation bouncing up and down in that area. So let's talk about it. Price in second. So that third last candle identified the push down, and then the second last candle came back to retest near the midpoint of that third to last candle, and it still pushed back down to that area, that midpoint near the area of the second to last candle body, and just consolidated sideways. So it's a break and retest in that area. So the market did break, came back to retest, and it pushed down. So it's really on the third leg. And if it pushes through that third leg, it'll just identify as a break and retest. Market's working its way down. But if it's respected, it'll come off the third leg and create that W formation. And we'll see that as we walk down the time frame. On the 3-month time frame, we have price action as a bearish red doji cross still. So market's still consolidating with the last few candles. So we are looking for price to see if it's going to shoot up through that resistance line or come down through that support. But so far, price second, third, the last candle is still consolidating sideways. Market identifying as a double top with the second and the third last candle. Price action is a retest. So that fourth to last candle spiked down. Price action spiked that high for that double top, pushed down from that area, got the retest at the midpoint of that area, and we'll see if that market push down further. If not, it'll push back up or create that consolidation. But still overall, still looking for the breakout of the last three candles, or last three candles in the market in the bottom of that fourth to last candle. Working our way to the monthly. So now we're starting to see structure. So still within that area consolidation. Price action spiked down to a low bearish red candle. So as we walk down the time frame, we are still receiving the same type of candle on the last few time frames. So identifying that consolidation with some a little bounce up and down, as we can see with the last price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, the last candle. We're looking for the breakout of the top side, that eighth to last candle, or the bottom side. And if it's respected with this spike down to the low, not with just with price, but with second to last candle in the market, so identify as a overall spike down to a low red and green, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and we'll see that market pushes up from that area if it follows up with a bullish green candle coming from a double bottom and retest, or a overall triple bottom. Working our way to the weekly. Price action on the weekly time frame, bullish green candle trying to work his way up, coming from the second last candle spike down and the green and red spike down to that area here, and then we can see that overall spike down to the previous area. So now we're taking a look at that triple bottom, which created W. So the W here, there's a W here, and there's a W here. Okay, so market, you can see that overall first, second, third, fourth retest. You're looking for the engulfment towards the price action towards the second and third last candle to push that market up. And then what is reading in that area is spike down red and green, first, second, third, and we're going to see if that market push up with that price action candle. It may look like a, as we walk down the time frame, it may look like a double bottom and a double retest, and the market's trying to push and break out. But you can see price action hasn't engulfed the second last candle body, which is near the midpoint. So let's add the midpoint now between the white SR lines, which will be at the top of the second last candle body. And let's head down to the daily time frame. Let's take a closer look. So on that daily time frame, price action is right below the resistance line. We can see it's trying to break, but is in a zone area. We'll talk about that zone as we walk down the time frame, where we can see that market still within that area, multiple spike ups. So if you look at where price is coming from, if it drops down from this area, where's it coming from? The double top from the opposite side. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth. Market broke, double top, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest, and we'll see if it pushed down for that fourth time. So market's coming from a double top, is within the area of a quadruple retest, unless it breaks and work its way up, and we'll talk about that in a 4-hour time frame while adding the zone. So let's add the zone first, and we'll talk about what happened if that market pushes up and where it's coming from. So adding the zone, we can see market is coming from a double top, a double retest, and a double top. So we have first, second, third, fourth, double top, a double retest. Market broke through and came back multiple times for a 1, look like 2, 3, 4, 5 pushes to that top in that area. So if it doesn't break through, market's coming down from that price action candle. Price action in the zone, so we're looking for price to either break and retest somewhere in that zone to push up further. And we can see right below that area, we do have that first, second, third, fourth. Market broke into it, so we may follow up with a retest now, or maybe it's just push up bullish green and retest later. But we are looking for a retest candle for that market to push up. Or you could just wait for that market to break out the top of that top side of that zone to retest to push that market up further, unless it's declined at this area, and you'll see that market price work its way back down to the previous areas. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. And thank you for your attention. ILMN Stock.